Hi my dear students, welcome back to our SS classroom. Okay, how are you? All are fine? All are study our last chapters, question answer and all works. Study well? Okay, very good. Dear students, previous class we discussed about continents and oceans. Do you remember? Yes, very good. Okay, our earth made up of land and water. These water bodies, these large water bodies are called oceans. How many oceans in our earth? How many oceans? Yes, 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. That 5 oceans. Okay, then how many continents? How many continents in our earth? Yes, 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Largest continent, Asia. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. These 7 continents and these 5 oceans in our earth. Am I right? Yes, very good. Dear students, all of you look at the map. Do you see oceans? This is our Pacific Ocean in this side. Then Atlantic Ocean. This Atlantic Ocean, the Southern Ocean, this Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay, do you see? You can see? This is Indian Ocean. Do you see India in this map? Yes. This is our India. This is our India. Okay. This Indian Ocean. Do you understand? Oceans and continents. This Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Okay, then next continents. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, very good. Dear students, all of you watch this video.
Made up of land and water. We get an idea about land and water distribution on the earth by looking at a globe. A globe is a round model of the earth. A globe, however, is not convenient to carry and has less details. Thus, we flatten the globe to get a map, like this. The blue area here represents the water bodies and the green area represents the land. Let's begin with the land area. The Earth's land makes up 30% of its surface and is divided into large land masses called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. The continents are further divided into countries. Asia is the largest and the most populated continent in the world. Africa is the second largest continent. It has the most number of countries, that is, 54 countries. North America is the third largest continent and is made up of 23 countries. South America is the fourth largest continent and is made up of 12 countries. Europe is the second smallest and the third most populated continent. It is home to nearly 50 countries. Australia is the smallest continent and is also known as a country continent. Antarctica is the southernmost continent made of large permanent glaciers. It is the only continent which is uninhabited. Angry Aunt Anju eats 9 sweet apples is a simple sentence to remember the 7 continents. The first letter of each word of this sentence will remind you of the first letter of the name of the 7 continents. Let us turn our attention to the water bodies of the earth. Around 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. These large water bodies are known as oceans. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. It covers almost half of the Earth's water surface. It separates Asia and Australia from North and South America. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world and is about half the size of the Pacific Ocean. It separates Europe and Africa from North and South America. The Indian Ocean is named after our country, India. The Indian Ocean is the third largest and the warmest ocean in the world. It lies south of India and separates East Africa from Australia. The Southern Ocean is the fourth largest and is also called the Antarctic Ocean. It borders Antarctica. The Arctic Ocean is the shallowest and the smallest ocean on Earth. It is located around the North Pole, bordering Asia, Europe, and North America. It is simple to remember the 5 oceans by remembering the word. PAISA. PISA. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. The 5 oceans together make this world a beautiful, habitable place.
Okay, dear children, all of you take page number 194. Page number 194. Exercise. Are you ready? Okay. Do you see tick the correct answer? Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Okay, all of you look at the board. Tick the correct answer. First one, a book of maps is called. A book of maps is called globe, an atlas, a compass. What is the correct answer? A book of maps is called globe? No. A book of map is called a compass? No. A book of map is called an atlas. Yes. All of you tick the correct answer. Tick here. An atlas. What is a atlas? A book of map is called atlas. All of you understand? Okay, then second one. The needle of a compass always points. A needle of a compass always points south, west, north. Which is the correct answer? A needle of a compass always points south? No. West? No. Yes, correct answer? North. A needle of a compass always points north. Okay. The needle of a compass always points direction of north. Okay, very good. Then next, the number of continents is 5, 3, 7. How many continents? How many continents? 5 or 3 or 7? 5 continents? No, 5 oceans. That's correct. 3 continents? No. 7 continents. Yes. The number of continents is 7. Then you tick here. 7. Do you understand? Okay, the next question. India is found in the continent of dash. India is found in the continent of Australia, Asia, Africa. Which continent? Australia, Asia, Africa. India is found in the continent of Australia? No. India is found in the continent of Africa. We are Africans? No. India is found in the continent of Asia. Yes, correct answer. Asia. Okay. Then next one, Australia is a sea an ocean a continent? Australia is a sea? No. Australia is an ocean. Do you study any ocean's name, Australia? No. Then Australia is a continent. Okay, you put here correct a continent. Okay, then once again a book of maps is called an atlas. A book of maps is called an atlas. Then the needle of a compass always points north. The needle of a compass always points which direction? North. Then third one, the number of continents is 7. The number of continents is 7. Then fourth one, India is found in the continent of Asia. India is found in the continent of Asia. The last one, Australia is a continent. Australia is a continent. All of you understand? Okay. This work you done your textbook. Don't write note in your notebook. Okay. Okay, then exercise B. Write T for the true statements and A for the false statements. Okay, true or false. Okay, look at the board. First one, maps come in different sizes. Maps comes in different sizes. This statement true or false? Maps only one size? No. Maps in different sizes. Big maps and small maps also. Okay. Then this statement true. If you put capital T for true. Okay. Okay, next one. As you face a map, the east is to your left. As you face a map, the east is your left. That statement is true or false? As you face a map, the east is to your left, north. The east is to your right hand. Okay. Then this statement false. You put F, false. Then third, a compass tells the time. A compass tells the time. This statement true or false? A compass tells the time? No. A compass tells the directions. So this statement also false. Okay. Compass tells the directions, not time. Do you understand? Okay, next. Fourth, countries are divided into continents. Countries are divided into continents. This statement true or false? Countries are divided into continents? No. Continents are divided into countries. That statement are true. Continents are divided into countries. So this statement, countries are divided into continents, are false. False. Okay. Then last one. There are 5 oceans. How many oceans? How many oceans? Yes, 5 oceans. Okay. There are 5 oceans. This statement, yes, the statement true. True. Okay. Then listen. Maps come in different size. Maps come in different sizes. This statement is true. Then as you face a map, the east is to your left. This statement false. A compass tells the child. This statement also false. Countries are divided into continents. Countries are divided into continents. False. False statement. Then last one. There are 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans. These statements are true. Okay, all of you understand? Okay. Okay, my dear students. Do you understand this chapter very well? In this chapter we are learned about globe, map, atlas and direction. Then continents, oceans also. Okay. Okay, all of you read this chapter very well. Okay, this chapter's question and answers I will send to your WhatsApp groups. Then, okay dears, we will meet next class. Okay, bye. Assalamu alaikum.